I'm going to go ahead and ask the sub to pause the video while you guys go ahead and do your bell work. The question is, what is the mean, median, mode, and range of the following numbers? 123, 234, 345, 456, and 567. Okay, after pausing it, let's go ahead to the mean. The mean, 123 plus 234 plus 345 plus 456 plus 567. And how many numbers are there? There's 5. So we're going to divide by 5. Now notice I put it in parentheses, or you can hit enter on your calculator and then hit divide by 5. Do not just type it in all as one problem without the parentheses. You will get it wrong. I saw some of you doing that last week, and I want to make sure we had that clear before next year. If you want to not use parentheses, just type it in, hit enter, then hit divided by 5, and you get that the average is 345. The median is the center number when they're all in order from smallest to biggest, so that is also 345. The mode, there is no mode because none of the numbers occur the most, and the range is the biggest minus the smallest. So 567 minus 123, 567 minus 123 is 444. Okay, today's jokes. We are on Disney Week, and it says stuff Miss Fawcett finds funny. Why do you keep opening the fridge? There may be something there that wasn't there before. And when your sibling catches you stealing their food, gotta eat to live, gotta steal to eat. Tell you about it when I got the time. Good times. This is a regular week. There is a district final on Friday. You have homework, a test, etc. We will play next week. This week we are doing math. You have a sub on Tuesday, but we'll be back. I'll be back tomorrow. And late work and homework and redos are all due on Friday. I'll talk about that when I get back. Today we're reviewing surface area and volume, and we're doing homework practice. So let's go through and review surface area. As we look at surface area, we have some pyramids and some prisms. So I'm just going to start with the basic rectangle. Here's my basic rectangle. For volume, volume is always area of the base times the height. So volume would be 11 times 3, that's my base, times my height. Surface area, I'm going to do the grid thing, and I'm going to say the front and the back. So my front is 11 and 4. My left and my right is 3 and 4. I didn't draw that well. And my top and my bottom is 11 and 3. And then these would be the same, 11 and 4, 4 and 3, 11 and 3. So then I find the area of all 6 sides. So this is 44. This is 12. This is 33. And I add all 6 numbers together. Take my calculator, 44 plus 12 plus 33 plus 44 plus 12 plus 33. And I get a total of 178. Okay, that's for a rectangular prism. Let's look at a hexagonal prism. For a hexagonal prism, you are going to have to find the area of the base times the height is always the volume. So the area of the hexagon times the height will give you the hexagon. For this one, we're going to divide it into shapes. We've got a hexagon on top and bottom. That's top and bottom. And then we've got 6 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now all of the rectangles are 10 by 3. Each of the sides is 10 by 3. So you add 10 by 3s. And that gives me 30 on everything here. Now to find the area of a hexagon, you do the side length, which is 10, times the apothem, which is 3, times the number of sides, which is 6. 10 times 3 times 6, divided by 2. Apothem times the side length times the number of sides, divided by 2. So 10 times 3 times 6 divided by 2 gives me 90. 90 here, 90 here. Then I add all 8 shapes up. 90, plus 90, plus 30, plus 30, plus 30, plus 30, plus 30, till you get to 630s. And your total is 360. Okay, pyramids. Surface area and volume are a little different. So pyramid volume, for the volume of a pyramid, you're going to divide by 3. For surface area, you're just going to find the area of each side. So I'm looking at this one right here. And I'm going to say my base, I've got a square base, and it is 6 by 6. So that's 36. And then I've got 4 triangles going on. And the base of the triangle is always 6. And the height of the triangle is 14. So 6 times 14 divided by 2. 6 times 14 divided by 2 is 42. Each of these is 42 plus 36. So 42 plus 42 plus 42 plus 42 plus 36 is 204. Okay, as we look at surface area and volume, that's kind of how you do it. You are going to today be doing a worksheet with lots of practice, and I'm giving you lots of time because I recognize that they take a lot of time for surface area by the time you do each of the shapes individually. I do want to see them drawn out. I do want to see the areas of each one, and I need you to, after you get them each done, if you have extra time, I want you to go back and try and find the volume of each one. So find the surface area first. If you have time, go back and find the volume. You can work in class, get it done, and I will be expecting to see it done tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.